name is Curran. I'm finishing up my accounting degree, and I do the accounting for the maintenance and construction division for Rent Portland Homes by Darla. One thing we do around here is we set homeowners' minds at ease. We do that by doing annual inspections. We go through, we take pictures of everything that we're looking for, our smoke detectors, we're looking for the caulking, we're looking at plumbing, we're going outside, inspecting your gutters, roofs, anything on the outside, fencing, gates, any repairs that need to be done, that's what we're looking for. All those photos of everything get sent to AppFolio. AppFolio is our property management software that homeowners have their own access to. They can go in, they can see the condition of their home, they can see work orders, they can see all the photos of everything that we've been taking. And it's really great. Another thing we have is a 24-hour emergency line for tenants. If a tenant calls with a leak, we'll call up one of our many vendors. If we can't get a vendor out, we'll send one of our in-house repairmen out there to take care of it. When you sign up with Rent Portland Homes, you're signing up with a team that wants to take care of you. As a homeowner myself, I appreciate the annual inspections that we do each year. We go through and give you all the information that sets your business.